guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to share this new piece of gadget I found on Amazon. I don't know about you, but I hate washing my makeup brushes, and if I can find some way to help me wash them and keep them clean, trust me, I'm going to be on it. So I found this nice little automatic makeup brush cleaner. So we're going to unbox it today and give it a try. So this is what the box looks like. It says 2 free makeup brushes included, and it's from the brand Millennial Beauty. It's a very nice box actually, and then you can see it has like eyeshadows or blushes, whatever, and then it has what comes in the box right here, and it also gives you the instructions here. So let's just open this and see how it works. I thought I was recording all along. Okay, so I've just taken out everything out of the box. So it comes with this little pot here, and it comes with all these little bits right here. So I am just going to go ahead and quickly assemble this makeup cleaner. So it comes with all these little bits. So I'm guessing these are different sizes to put your brushes in. So it comes with all these little rubber stuff, and I think these are what you put your brushes in. And it has this as well. And the 2 makeup brushes. So that's it from the box. It's empty. Now time to set up this bad boy. So here are the instructions, guys. The first one is to select the best fitting color and insert the brush. 2, attach the color to the machine. 3, fill in the bowl with water and soap. 4, dump the brush in the liquid. 5, spin into the liquid for 10 seconds. 6, spin above the liquid for 10 seconds. And 7, remove the color from the machine. So let's do this. Okay, so I found the first piece. So this goes in here like this. Okay, and I've chosen this one because it fits my foundation brush the best. So what I'm going to do is insert my foundation brush into this right here. It's rubber, so it stretches to fit, but they have different sizes as I was showing you earlier on, but this one fits my foundation, sorry, my powder brush. So it looks something like this. All right, so they say to fill up the bowl with, attach the color to the machine, fill in the bowl with water and soap, which is what we're going to do. I've got some water right here, so I'm going to fill it up, and I'm using warm water. I'm just going to go get some more water, guys. Let's try this out. Guys, something I don't think they mentioned is that you have to use 2 AAA batteries. You put them right here, which I forgot to do. I forgot to put them in, but they work with 2 AAA batteries. I don't think they mentioned that actually. So now that the batteries are in, let me see if I can get this closed. Right, so the batteries are in. Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to dump the brush in the water like that, Can you see what's happening? Ooh. So you have to hold down the little button at the top and let your brush swirl. Oops, sorry. Clean up my mess. Wow, okay. I don't know if you had seen how dirty my brush was before, but it's getting very clean. Impressive. Let's try that again. I think they say you should swirl it in the water for, let's have a look. Spin into the liquid for 10 seconds and then spin above the liquid for 10 seconds. So I think I've spun it for 10 seconds in the water, and I'm going to spin it above for another 10 seconds. Woo! That is making a mess. I think I put too much water in that. But anyways, I'm going to take it out now because I think it looks clean enough. Or actually, I'm going to get rid of some of this water. Okay, so let's do it again because I just made a mess, so I had to put down a towel. So let's try that above the water for 10 seconds. Wow. Oh my goodness. This brush, it's almost, I think I should have left it longer, but it's almost dry, you guys. As you can see, the bristles, it's almost dry. I think if I left it another couple of seconds, it would have been completely dry, but I am very, very impressed with this. So let me go ahead and try another brush because this is like magic. Wow. So it cleaned my brush. It absolutely cleaned my powder brush. And then it actually dried my brush. This is like magic, you guys. And you know what? This wasn't expensive. I think I paid £16.57 or something like that. I will leave the link, of course, so you can check it out. But if you use a lot of makeup brushes and you know you don't want to clean them all the time, because you know that if you have put dirty brushes on your face, that will break out your skin. So it's always important to keep your brushes nice and clean. I will honestly suggest that you get one of these, you guys. This is like magic. Enough said. Let me try another brush quickly. Okay, so I'm going to try my foundation brush. I don't know if you can see how dirty it looks. Can you see how dirty my foundation brush looks? You can see the foundation up to here. So what we're going to do is find the little rubber bit that fits. Let me see if this one fits my foundation brush. So we'll have to get a bigger rubber band to fit my foundation brush. Okay. So this one fits. It's a bit wet. So this one fits my foundation brush. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and attach this again. And we are going to do the same thing. So it's 10 seconds in the water and then 10 seconds above the water. And above the water helps the brush to get dry. So where's my timer? Give me 1 second. Okay, so I've set my clock at 10 seconds. Let's put this bad boy in and go. Okay, so that was 10 seconds in the water. Stop. And then we're going to do 10 seconds above the water. So let's go. Let's see how this works. This one is still a little damp, so what we're going to do is try to do it another few seconds and see if it gets completely dry. So let's put another 3 seconds on the clock and start. Okay. It's still a little damp because I think this brush is very dense, but it did manage to get my brush clean, and all I have to do is just leave it to air dry for maybe a few minutes because it's almost very dry. Not like my foundation, sorry, my powder brush, which is, it's dry. It's pretty much dry. It probably needs a few minutes to dry, but I'm really impressed with this, and I'm going to try to wash 2 of my eye brushes. So let's go. Okay, so here we have this dirty blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and wash it right now. So let's start. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like when it's done. You can see there's a tiny bit of blueness still on there, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and wash it another time. Let's see if it gets any cleaner. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's see if it's any cleaner. So it's fairly clean. It's still, I think the brush is stained, but it's much cleaner than when I had put it in this little cleaning thing. So the brush is stained, so it won't get absolutely clean, but what we're going to do right now is go ahead and dry the brush. So off we go. So let's see. Maybe I need to change the water as well, but it's fairly clean. Maybe I should wash it another time, but it's not as dirty as when I had put it in the machine. So let's try it again, guys. Maybe I need to change the water. All right, so that's what the brush looks like. It's clean enough. Can you see that? It's not bad at all. So what I'm going to do now is attempt to dry this brush. It's dry. You know what I was doing wrong, you guys? I was dipping it in the water while I was trying to dry it, and I think that was a mistake. Instead of putting it above the water, I think the brush was dipped into the water a bit, so you have to be careful not to dip your brush in the water when you spin it above the water. If you understand what I mean, make sure that it doesn't touch the water. You just want it to spin, just like hover over the water so it dries your brush, because this brush is pretty much dry. It just needs like a few seconds. As you can see, guys, look, it looks dry. So this absolutely works. All you have to do is make sure that you keep the water. I would change the water after about a few washes, and make sure that you don't fill up the container all the way to the top like I did. And of course, make sure that you run it for 10 seconds in the water and 10 seconds above the water so your brush dries. Do not touch the brush on the water when you are doing the drying process. Otherwise, your brush is going to get wet. It's dry. It is dry, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and finish washing my brushes. I do hope you found this helpful. Please do go check out this machine. I will leave the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. I love this, and whew, this is going to make a big difference when I clean my brushes, because I hate cleaning brushes. And as you know, I'm always doing tutorials and I do my makeup when I go out, so I always have dirty brushes. And I don't want any dirty brush on my skin, so I'm happy I purchased this little bad boy here. So what I'm going to do now is put the little rubbers that I've used on my brush, I'm going to rest them on here so they dry. This is like a storage rack for the little rubbers. So I'm going to just place them on there, wash out my container and leave it to dry, and I'm pretty much done. That's it, guys. Look at that. Yes, look at this. Dry. Look at that. Now I can go ahead and use it for my makeup. And this one is still a little bit damp as well, because obviously I did not dry it properly. But I love this machine and I'm going to be using it all the time. Let me know if you have tried this before in the comments section, or if you plan on purchasing this little bad boy right here. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you did. Thumbs up this video, of course, and turn on notifications on so you don't miss any uploads from Shaunz World. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.